Hello friends, welcome back. Now let us see some fundamental theorems which are related to limits, and these theorems will be helpful for us to solve some problems. So first one is limit x tends to a fx plus minus gx, it is equal to limit x tends to a fx plus minus limit x tends to a gx. This is the first theorem. Second one is limit x tends to a fx into gx. Now see, these fx and gx are two functions. These fx and gx are functions of x. So this is equal to limit x tends to a fx into limit x tends to a gx. Now the third theorem is limit x tends to a c fx. So here, what is this c? This c is a constant. So it is equal to c into limit x tends to a fx. Now the next one is limit x tends to a fx upon gx, it is equal to limit x tends to a fx upon limit x tends to a gx. Now see another theorem. There is one very important theorem which I am going to discuss now, and it will be very helpful for us to solve many problems and questions related to limits. So first of all, I will tell you that theorem, and then we will solve the questions based on that theorem. So it is, that theorem is limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, it is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1. Now let us see how this theorem is used to solve the problems. So let us solve some questions based on this theorem. See, first one is limit x tends to 2, x raised to power 10 minus 1024 upon x minus 2. Now see, what is 1024? 1024 is what? See, 1024 is equal to 2 raised to power 10. So we can write it like this: limit x tends to 2 x raised to power 10 minus 2 raised to power 10 upon x minus 2. So according to this theorem, this will be equal to 10 into 2 raised to power 10 minus 1, and it is equal to 5120. Now let us solve another question. Limit x tends to 1 x raised to power 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1. So it will be equal to 4 into 1 raised to power 4 minus 1, and it is equal to 4. Now let us solve another question. Limit x tends to 2, x raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n upon x minus 2 is equal to 80. And here we have to find the value of n. Right? We have to find what is the value of n. Now see, according to this theorem which we have discussed, limit x tends to 2, x raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n upon x minus 2, it will be equal to n into 2 raised to power n minus 1, and it is given that it is equal to 80. So n into 2 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 80. And what is 80? It is 5 into 16, and it is equal to 5 into 2 raised to power 4, and it is equal to 5 into 2 raised to power 5 minus 1. So n into 2 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to this. So it is clear that n is equal to 5. Now let us solve some more questions based on this theorem.